Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about SQL Zuzu.net. Uh, this is basically SQL platform and we are going to solve today select basics. Let's go inside. This is select basics query it has database system this one. These are the columns name, continent, area, population, GDP. These are country name, the continent they are in, the area of those countries, population that of that country, GDP. First will be the basic example. We will go through some examples and then we'll go through quiz. So this is first example, the example where clause uses to show the population of France. Note the strings, the pieces of text that are data should be in the single quotes. So here we have to modify it for the Germany. So we'll just simply copy this and paste, submit. So we got the right answer. What is happening in the query is it is selecting the population column from the table word and it's filtering on the name Germany. Okay. Check a list of the word in allow us to check if an item in a list. The example shows the population and name of for the countries Brazil, Russia, India, China. So we'll just replace this. And hit submit. So this is also the same way. We pulled two columns, name and population from table word. But we used in statement here because there are multiple inputs like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. If it would have been the where clause, we could have used it equal or. Like I can write in a different way. Let me show you that. And here we got it. Submit. So this is the second way. Rather than using or, we could have used in. That would have been a little bit easier in coding as well. Let's go to next. Just the right size. Which countries are not too small or not too big? Between allows us to range specific in inclusive borders. The example below shows the countries with an area of 250k or 300k square kilometer. So basically just we have to modify this one and this part because it says between use inclusive of the boundary values, so we just have to modify those two stuff, the beginning one and the end one, start and end. Let's go to quiz. So here we can see that it has given the output of the table and we need to find what can be the equation. So here we can see there are two columns. So first it will come select statement. So this is not the right one. Here again it is not starting with select. So these two are starting with select. And second part it says name population. So this is the only one which has two columns. So this will be our right answer for the first one. So here you used like. So like statement should have come later a little bit, but it says like AL percentage. That means it starts with AL. Okay, so and it has two columns, name and population. So that ended up that there can be one, two, three because these four have two columns. So these can be answer. Let's go inside, dive in. It should start with AL. So this is not the right answer. These three can be our right answer. As we know, Albania and Algeria are the countries, and if we go up, it has Albania and Algeria in the beginning. So these two should have been there with a person. So this will be our right answer because both should be there. It's not specifying any where clause, it says and all of them. Those start with AL. Let's go to below. So here we can see it is asking for the countries that end in A or L. So if you will see name, word, name, word, name, word, name, word, name, word. But it says end with A or L. So A should be after percentage. It's not before percentage. That's why we will not consider this one. Second, same answer for this one. But here it is percentage A. That means this can be answered. Here it is also percentage A. Here it is percentage A. So what's the difference between these three is, here it is and, but they have mentioned or. So we will go for or. These two have or. But this is more likely to be correct because it has name like separately written for L and name like, here it is no name like separately written. If we'll go up, there was no other clause, that's why we can't differ on this one. But if you have two clause, you can't use it like this in like function. It should be like this. They should be separately mentioned for each of them. Let's go to next. So here we can see it has name and length of name, and in where clause they mentioned the length of name should be 5 and region should be Europe. So we're considering only those countries which belongs to Europe in the continent. So they are part of Europe and their length is 5. They are made of 5 characters. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so this we are not going to consider this one, and this one also has 6. So these last two will be disregarded. Let's go to first 3 and see which one, if there is any country that does not belong to Europe. Like Egypt is not part of Europe, and here also Egypt is there, that is also not from Europe. So we can consider Italy, Spain and Malta, they all three belongs to Europe. Next question. Next question is, they have again mentioned here the same what do you call that, same database, and it is selecting name and it is multiplying area with 2. Okay, so this is the column and this is the name where population is 64,000. So we can see we have one column here with population 64,000, Andorra, Europe 468. So Andorra should be there in the answer, but it should be double of this one. So first two are not our answer. This one is also not our answer. Either this one or Albania. Albania has this one, but it's not, population is not 64,000. So this cannot be our answer. This should be the answer. So it says area larger than 50,000. So area is larger in 50,000. In only two conditions it is larger than 50,000. So we'll consider these two. But population smaller than, what it is, 10 million. Okay, population less than 10 million. So this will be the answer. Name, area, population. Area is greater than 50,000. Population is less than. Show the code that shows the population density. What is population density? So population density is population over area. That is, in this one and these two examples has only population over area. But as we are considering multiple, and we discussed it in the example, that it should be using in statement for multiple, and like is only to define whether it starts with that or ends with that. It should not comparing the complete value. So this will be our right answer, and then we will submit the score, and here is our score. So all of them are correct. I hope this will help you understanding basic examples of select. How are we going to deal with this in future, or these might come in your quiz as well, in your exam, in interview, that can help you as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.